Now, what's our next step? If you guess importing models, you are right. Here is what we need to do. First, download the resources file provided in the course material. Extract the contents of the downloaded files. You will find several folders containing models and shaders. Select all these folders and drag them into your Unity's project window. So, we have imported our models and shaders. Let's take a closer look at what we have got. So, here you can see several folders. Inside this models folder, you will find various type of models. A car folder contains different car models. We have coin model, lamp model, rock and trees model. If you go back to the main folder, you will also see a couple of shaders in this folder. And inside this, you will find some ready to use prefabs of tree and rocks. A quick note. These models are provided strictly for learning purpose. I am not the owner of these models and they are used here to teach you how to work with different assets in Unity. If you want to use different models, that's even better. It will challenge you and enhance your learning experience. Okay, so now drag one of the car model from the car folder into the hierarchy. Next, we need to adjust the main camera. Select the main camera in the hierarchy and change the following settings. Change the Y position to 21, change the X rotation to 35, and change the Z position to negative 14.44. Adjust these values until the camera view looks good. Now, we need to add a ground. For that, go inside the path folder and open the center folder. Now drag this model into the scene. And adjust the Y position of this to place it correctly. Let's adjust the directional light. Select the directional light in the hierarchy and change the following settings. Change the X rotation to 161, Y rotation to negative 29, and Z rotation to 15. In the light component of the directional light, change the following settings. Change the shadow strength to 0.7, change the bias to 0, and normal bias to 0. Now our shadows looks perfect. Next, create a new folder in the assets. Name Materials. Open the shader folder and select the gradient skybox. Drag it into the materials folder. You can use this shader by dragging it into the scene window. Customize the sky color and ground color according to your preference. I am choosing a sky blue with a hint of greenish tint for my sky. If you want to use the same colors, you can copy and paste this code. Let's adjust the ground color as well. Customize the sky position and ground position. Our sky position is negative 0.02. Our ground position is negative 0.26. That's perfect. To prevent our sky color from reflecting in unwanted areas, open the Windows, Rendering, Lighting. Place this tab wherever you prefer. Click New Light Settings to create a new light settings and rename it if you want. Now change the following settings in the lighting window. Check real-time global illumination and uncheck baked global illumination. Set the directional mode to non-directional. and set the light map parameter to default very low resolution. In the environment tab, change the skybox color to color. Choose the color you prefer. You can copy the RGB's values to use the same color as mine. Now enable the fog and select the fog color. Set the density to 0.01 and at the last, generate lighting. That's it for today's lesson. See you there in the next lesson.